In this video I am showing you how I use a plastic doll armature to make my soft toys poseable and stable. To separate the joints, use this side of the pliers. And this side is for connecting the pieces. When you press them together, you should hear a clear click. This sound means the joint is securely attached. This is a neck connector. I use it to attach legs, arms, or a tail. And this is a Y connector. It's perfect when you need to connect two limbs, for example for animal legs or doll legs. Armatures come in different sizes, and each size requires its own matching pliers. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.